Alright, so I'm on my way to go see some Star Wars to the theaters. Go pick up my mom. We're two huge Star Wars fans. My wife's not a huge Star Wars fan, so we're gonna go catch this movie. So excited, stuck in traffic, ready to get going. So many people on the road. We're making a lot of noise. Hopefully there's some cops around. I love to do that. I don't know, my back tires feel a little weird. I feel like they're sliding, but I don't have my traction light coming on or whatever. Alright, I made it here. Let's go ahead and make our way to the movies. Welcome back to another vlog. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's enjoying their morning. For me, it's pretty early. It's like 5:22. Right now I'm trying to defrost my car as I'm driving, but well, yeah, anyways. I hope everybody's having a good morning. And I hope everybody have a good Christmas. I think this will be uploaded before either today, or if not, it'll be up tomorrow. So everybody, Merry Christmas. But yeah, I hope everybody's enjoying their week. You know, I know there's a lot of shopping going on and a lot of gathering and decoration, etc. I actually went to go see Star Wars. Amazing. It was awesome. I recommend go seeing it if you're a huge Star Wars fan. I've been a huge Star Wars fan since I was a little boy. Well, doing the same thing as I always do. Every 3 days. I always fill up my gas every 3 days. I use 93 octane at Shell. Save 5 cents every single time. Every Tuesday, save about 25 cents a gallon. Yeah. The BM Shifter. Recommend that product. Recommend that brand. Best one I've ever had. Actually, you know, best one and only one actually. But it's dirty all right here. Look at all that. Like, I don't know. I need to get some tire cleaner. Clean that up. Still haven't got that fixed. If y'all remember my last video, one of my videos that somebody trying to attempt to break in, I guess. Still the same old. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can see, but I guess you can. That little lump, that's where I have that stuff, the sandwich plate. I just got to be very cautious of hitting bumps, speed bumps and everything. But I mean, I've had a problem, you know, going over speed bumps here lately. It's just recommend like getting those elbows so I can put the rod on with 90 degrees. The same stuff. $39. Alright, let's go ahead to the in-laws. But yeah, so I get worried about it, and then sometimes it gets in the way. Well, isn't that my luck? A guy helped me out. I got sidetracked, but I left my tank open with my cap off. Need to put it in first gear before I even try to go. See, like, I'm all over the place. At least that guy helped me out. Like, I would have got halfway down the street and not realizing. And part of check-ins, the light came on, but we're like, can't sense the pressure. So hopefully I can get that fixed and put a new one right on. I still gotta go on Amazon and order it. I mean, again, it's not bad. It's not like to the point where it's like bending any of my holes or anything like that. Still flowing, still keeping my oil cool. Works like a charm. I was gonna order a whole new hose, but I did. Well, actually, I did. And come to find out when I got it, I didn't read the description. It was a 12-foot hose. I was like, that's excessively long. And I didn't realize I already returned it, but I didn't realize, like, damn, I could have just cut it and, put the end piece on that other piece that I cut. Hey, I'm gonna do it again.